So you might be here because you're thinking about starting a business. That is a huge step, and kudos for you for getting started. But now let's step back and think about what business structure is best for that business and what will be best for not only the business itself, but your family. Today, we're going to talk about those options and what they entail. So if you just started a small business on your own, it may be wise to just do a sole proprietorship. It requires less paperwork and is easier to get started. However, this may not be the best option if you're worried about liability issues for your own personal assets or the assets of the business. When you're starting your business, you may want to consider a limited liability company, or an LLC for short. This is where you would be able to separate your personal liability from your business liability. The business itself is registered with the Secretary of State and actually becomes its own entity by itself and receives its own EIN number. Just like you have a social security number, your business has its own one as well. While you're considering your business options, you may also consider a CCorp. The CCorp is also registered with the Secretary of State, but actually becomes its own entity instantly. It's taxed by itself and also has other requirements that may complicate or make your small business more difficult to run or more complicated in the long run. So when you're considering the difference between an LLC or a CCorp, you can also consider that either one of these items can be taxed at the SCorp level. It's a status with the IRS for either of these options and can be a significant tax savings on both the self-employment tax side or the CCorp side. So during this exciting time of starting your business, make sure you start your business off on the right foot. Call our office now and we'll get you set up on the right path for success.